How to streak on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a streak on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Snapchat. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, if you just head over to your friends section, you will notice different people right here. Now, if you want to just create a snap streak, what you'll have to do is you'll just have to start sending snaps to your friends. Now, for that, it's really easy. You can just head over to your camera section, take a picture. Now, you can just, add anything that you'd like. Tap on send to, and then start sending it to your friends. So I'll just tap on send, and there we go. Now, as you can see right here, after I sent a streak or a snap, the streak has now been started. Now, for this to occur, what you'll actually need to do is start sending and receiving a snap daily. That is, you will need to at least get a snap and send a snap every day. Now, if you stop sending a snap one day, the streaks will end and this fire icon will go away. So yeah, every day you keep on sending snap, this number will start increasing. So this will actually just show you the days that you have started sending the streaks to your friends. And that's basically how you streak on Snapchat, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.